Finding the right dog grooming clippers can be a real headache, especially if your furry friend is always squirming or getting anxious. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, Silent Groom Pro. We have the Silent Groom Pro from shih-tzu, priced at $39.95. What caught my attention is its whisper quiet operation, producing only 30 to 37 decibels, which is a game changer for anxious pets. If you want a stress-free nail grooming experience for your furry friend, this is worth a serious look. Now let's dive into why this product solves your problem. The ultra-quiet design means your dog won't be startled or scared during grooming. This is especially important if your pup is sensitive or has had negative experiences with grooming tools in the past. With a heavy-duty diamond wheel, you get perfect results every time. And here's why this matters for you specifically. No more worrying about hurting your dog's nails with traditional clippers that can cause bleeding if you cut too close. Plus, with over 20,000 units sold in the past month, people are clearly loving this product. I'll be real with you though. Some users mentioned that they expected a faster trimming process. Now, some people complained about the time it takes to grind down nails. Here's the thing though. The safety features make up for it, especially if you have a nervous dog. It's a great balance between safety and efficacy. This is perfect for you if you have a sensitive dog, or if you're looking for a tool that will keep your pet calm during grooming. Skip this one if you need a quick solution for long nails, as it might take some time to get them down to size. For the price, it's a solid investment in ensuring your pet's comfort. Now, if the Silent Groom Pro's grinding speed concerns you, the next product might actually be a better fit for speed and convenience.
Product number 2. One is All Grooming Vacuum. The One is All Dog Grooming Vacuum, retailing at $99.99. What really caught my eye is its ability to vacuum up to 99% of pet hair while you groom. If you're tired of dealing with a furry mess after grooming, this one's definitely worth considering. Here's why this product solves your problem. The integrated vacuum function collects loose hair directly into a dust container, meaning you spend less time cleaning up and more time enjoying your pet. It offers 3 adjustable suction levels at just 59 decibels, so your dog won't feel frightened during grooming. Plus, with over 7,000 units sold recently, it's clear that pet owners are loving the convenience. However, some users did mention the weight of the vacuum being a little cumbersome, but let me tell you why that's not a deal breaker. If you want a thorough grooming session without the hassle of hair everywhere, a little extra weight is worth it for the comfort of your pet and tidiness of your home. This is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive grooming solution that includes a vacuum. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight and portable. The investment is totally justifiable when you consider the time and effort saved. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next product on my list might actually be even better for those of you dealing with thick, heavy coats. Product number 3. One is All Heavy Coat Clippers. The One is All dog clippers are designed specifically for thick, heavy coats. What really impressed me was its powerful stainless steel blades that can handle even the most matted fur effortlessly. If your dog has a thick coat, this is worth a serious look. Why is this product a game changer for you? The clippers have a motor that operates at 6,800 RPM, which means it can cut through thick hair without pulling or tugging. This is crucial when you're grooming a dog that might get anxious about the process. With a noise level below 55 decibels, it keeps things calm and quiet, making your dog feel at ease during grooming. And with 5,000 units sold recently, more pet owners are opting for this efficient tool. However, some users pointed out that the stainless steel blade cannot be disassembled. Here's the thing. While that might be a downside for cleaning, the durability of the design means you won't have to worry about frequent replacements. For most pet owners, that's a worthwhile trade-off. This is perfect for you if you have medium to thick-coated dogs like golden retrievers or poodles. Skip this one if your dog has fine or short hair, as it may be overkill. For the price and performance, these clippers are a fantastic value. Now, if you're looking for a more versatile option, our next product really shines with its adaptability. Product number 4. One is All Dog Grooming Kit. We have the One is All Dog Grooming Kit priced at $56.99. This kit is a winner for those with heavy, thick-haired pets due to its powerful motor and multiple attachments. If you want a comprehensive grooming solution, this is definitely a contender. Why does this product stand out? It comes with a 2000 mAh battery that lasts up to 240 minutes, which is perfect for grooming multiple pets in one session. The low noise level of less than 55 dB means your pets won't be afraid during grooming. With 6 different guide combs, it caters to various hair lengths, making it super adaptable for different dogs, which is essential if you're managing mixed breeds. It's already a hit with 3,000 sales in the past month, which speaks volumes about its reliability. But I have to be honest, some users found the instructions a bit lacking. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the ease of use totally outweighs that initial learning curve. Plus, the waterproof feature makes cleaning a breeze, which is a huge plus for me. This is perfect for you if you have multiple dogs with varying coat types, or if you want a grooming kit that does it all. Skip this one if you're looking for a specialized tool for just one coat type. The value is definitely there for a complete grooming solution. Now, if you want something more budget-friendly, stay tuned for our last product.
Product number 5. He-Pets Dog Clippers. We have the He-Pets Dog Grooming Clippers, a real steal at just $18.99. What caught my attention is its adjustable length feature, which lets you customize the cut for all types of coats. If you're looking for an affordable option without sacrificing quality, this is worth considering. Here's why this product is a good fit for you. The clippers come with multiple length options, allowing for versatility in grooming, which is great if you have pets with different needs. The low noise of about 50 decibels means even the most timid pets won't freak out during grooming. Plus, with 3,000 units sold recently, people are clearly finding value in this economical choice. However, some users noted that the blade might get dull over time. Here's my perspective. While that's a valid concern, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that gets the job done, regular maintenance can easily keep it functioning well. This is perfect for you if you're new to grooming or have smaller pets that don't require heavy-duty clippers. Skip this one if you want something that can handle very thick coats, as it may fall short in that area. For the price, it's an excellent entry point into the world of DIY grooming.
So, to wrap things up, we've looked at 5 great dog grooming clippers today. The Silent Groom Pro is ideal for anxious pets, while the One-Is-All Grooming Vacuum is perfect if you want to keep your home tidy. The One-Is-All Heavy Coat Clippers excel with thick fur, and the One-Is-All Grooming Kit is a fantastic option for versatility. Finally, the He-Pets Clippers provide a budget-friendly choice for light grooming.